Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine a tiny flying robot that can deliver your pizza, survey a disaster zone, or capture stunning movie-like footage from the sky. No, this isn't science fiction. It's the reality of drone technology, and it's changing our world in ways we never thought possible. Stick around, because we're about to take a deep dive into the incredible rise of drones. So, what exactly is a drone? In simple terms, a drone, or an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is an aircraft without a human pilot on board. Their flight is controlled either autonomously by onboard computers or by a remote control on the ground. You might think of them as a recent invention, but their history goes way back. The concept began over a century ago with remotely piloted balloons and target aircraft for military training. From those simple beginnings, they've evolved into the sophisticated multi-rotor devices we see everywhere today. How do these amazing machines stay airborne? It's a marvel of engineering. Most consumer drones you see have 4 rotors. By precisely controlling the speed of each propeller, the drone can hover, ascend, descend, and move in any direction. Inside, a flight controller acts as the brain, constantly receiving data from sensors like gyroscopes and accelerometers to maintain stability. A GPS module tells it where it is, and a powerful battery provides the juice. It's a symphony of components working together to achieve flight, and the variety is staggering. You have small, nimble racing drones that can zip through obstacle courses at incredible speeds. Then there are larger, heavy-lift drones designed for professional cinematography, carrying high-end cameras. And of course, there are fixed-wing drones that resemble traditional airplanes, capable of covering vast distances for mapping and surveillance. They're broadly categorized into civilian and military types. While military drones have been used for surveillance and combat for decades, the explosion in civilian use is what's truly transformative. Let's talk about the fun stuff. Photography and videography. Drones have completely democratized aerial imaging. That breathtaking, swooping shot that used to require a helicopter and a massive budget? Now, a skilled drone pilot can capture it for a fraction of the cost. From real estate listings and wedding videos to blockbuster movies, drones are providing perspectives we've only dreamed of. But it's not all about pretty pictures. Drones are becoming indispensable tools in critical industries. In agriculture, they monitor crop health, spray fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy, and help farmers increase yields while reducing waste. Companies are experimenting with drone delivery systems, promising to get packages to your doorstep faster than ever. And in disaster management, drones are true heroes. They can survey earthquake damage, find stranded survivors in floods, and deliver medical supplies to remote areas, often reaching places that are too dangerous for humans. The secret sauce powering modern drones is artificial intelligence and advanced sensors. But AI allows for incredible features like Follow Me mode, where the drone autonomously tracks a subject, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, which helps prevent crashes. High-resolution cameras, thermal sensors, and LiDAR scanners give drones superhuman senses, allowing them to see in the dark, measure temperature, and create detailed 3D maps of the environment. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of drones has also raised important questions about safety, privacy, and regulation. Governments around the world are working to establish clear rules for where, when, and how drones can be flown to ensure the safety of airspace and protect people as privacy from unwanted surveillance. It's a complex challenge that we're still navigating. So what's next? The future is incredibly exciting. We're looking at swarms of autonomous drones working together on complex tasks, solar-powered drones that can stay airborne for months, and even passenger drones that could become the flying taxis of tomorrow. Drones are not just a hobbyist's toy. They are a powerful platform technology that is fundamentally reshaping industries and changing the way we interact with the world around us. They prove that for human ingenuity, the sky is truly no longer the limit. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. What do you think is the most exciting application for drones? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time.